All right, good morning, good afternoon. This is 4.4, day 2. We're going to be continuing to talk about linear functions, but now we're going to be talking about continuous data and discrete data. So continuous data is data that can take any value resulting in a graph with a connected line for a given domain. The data will include decimals and fractions. Now, when I say it will include decimal and fractions, it means in the domain. Okay, example, buying grapes charged per pound. You can buy, a pound and a half, or, 1 pound, or 1.26 pounds. Okay, an example I kind of put here. Oh, whoopsie. Sorry about that. Is if I have a graph of cost and pounds of candy. So like 1 pound is $3, and 2 pounds is $6, and 3 pounds is $9. Well, when you are at a store and you pick out these pounds of candy, it's not necessarily going to be an exact pound, because you're going to, it's going to be partial of the pounds. Okay, so if you have, it's what we called continuous data, and it's going to be connected. My line is a little, but it's going to be connected with a line. That means that this point here, say 1.5 pounds, will connect here. There's going to be a point. Well, I can buy 1.5 pounds of candy and it'll be $4.50, or 2.5, or 3.5, or 3.6, or 4.6. I can put partial numbers in here, like decimals and fractions, and get numbers out. Okay, our other kind or type is going to be discrete data. Discrete data, it has space between possible data values, resulting in a graph made only of ordered pairs for a given domain. So data is not valid for decimals or fractions in the domain. Example, buying bags of chips. It's charged per bag. So I have an example here. If you think about going to the grocery store and buying a gallon of milk. So 1 gallon, not talking about if I'm buying 1 gallon jugs, not talking about half gallons or, quarts or anything, just those gallons of jugs. You can go in and buy 1 gallon for $2.95, or 2 gallons for $5.90, or 3 for however much, and 4 for however much. But you're not going to be able to go in and buy 1 gallon and then cut a gallon of milk, a whole gallon of milk, in half. Okay, so these are not going to be connected. They're just going to be points or ordered pairs on my graph. Okay? So here, total value of coupon worth $5 each. That's going to be discrete, because I'm not going to have a partial amount. It's just going to be certain numbers. So if I have 1 coupon, $5. 2 coupons, $10. 3 coupons. I can't have a coupon and a half. Okay, but here, total cost for gas, $2.95, or $2.95 a gallon. You can buy 1 gallon, or 2 gallons, or 3 gallons, but you can also buy a gallon and a half, or 1.5, or 1.75 gallons, or 2.6, okay, so that's going to be continuous. All right. Total cost for cell phone bill, charges $39 a month, plus $5 per gig. Okay, it's per gig, so it's going to be discrete. Number of ounces, and if you're unsure about if it says per, it's going to be discrete. Number of ounces left in a bottle of pop, it's going to be continuous. But number of jelly beans, because you can have, partial ounces. Come in.